If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel and another Meet the Bags video. This Meet the Bags video is super special and so near and dear to my heart. This Meet the Bags video is special because it is the debut of the first design by Pin It Up Patterns. Pin It Up Patterns is a new pattern company that is in partnership with myself and Anna of Galaxy Customs. We have been working on this design for over a year and it is finally done. Are you ready to meet the Up and Away handbag? Can I get a drum roll, please? I don't have a drum roll. Here she is. This is the Up and Away handbag by Pin It Up Patterns. Again, I loves her. Let me show you some of the amazing features of this bag. So you can see her vintage, retro, yet modern look. We have the wonderful overlays on the front and back with amazing sharp lines. We have this really unique zipper. It goes all the way down the top and down the sides. Purse feet on the bottom. Really cool handles with an accent pop of color. When you open up the double zipper closure, you have a zipper pocket with a decorative overlay on one side. And there are two ways you can do the slip pocket. You could do a regular slip pocket where you sew it up the center. You have two. This one, we have put a snap in so you could have it as a secured slip pocket, or if you snap it and you have bigger stuff, it would work as two or as one big slip pocket with a closure. Yeah. I loves her. I hope you all love her as well. It can be made in leathers, cottons, canvases, vinyls. It can be made in anything your heart desires. Just know the sensitivities of your machine if you are sewing this up to know what thicknesses your machine can handle. I love it. I hope you do too. You can see she is a medium size bag. This one I did with the longer handles, the shoulder handles. Again, you can make the handles as long as you want. We also have instructions on how to do handbag handles, so they are a little bit shorter. Anyways, if you're one of my clients and you would like to order one of these, you know what to do. All my information is below. If you're part of the bag makers community, where you can buy this pattern is linked below. And of course, there is a cutting tutorial and a sewing tutorial on this one. So make sure you catch those. Anyways, everybody go get their Up and Away handbags. Thanks again for all of your support. I love all of you. And I'll catch you on the next one.